Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. You're probably in your vehicle right now super frustrated because you got the key fob with you, foot down on the brake, hit the push button start, then all your vehicle's doing is flashing lights, it won't turn on. What is going on? Let's show you. Step 1, test your battery.
All right, so we completed the battery test. It results as a failed battery. Okay, so you can take it to your local Honda dealership or other places out there like AutoZone. They do a free battery test and no charge to you to help answer that question. Okay, you can complete the battery test while it's in the vehicle, or maybe take it out, take it to that place. They can test the battery right there. So next step for us is get the customer's permission to replace that battery and see if that resolves the issue. So there we go, guys. That's the first step. See you at the next video.